Tom walks into a bright, colorful classroom, excited for today's science experiment. He sits at his desk, eyes wide with curiosity as he watches the experiment being prepared. Suddenly, Tom notices one beaker shimmering in a strange and magical way. Tiny droplets begin freezing into ice crystals, while steam curls upward at the same time. The classroom feels still as solid, liquid, and gas exist together in harmony. Tom suddenly begins to shrink and gently floats down into the beaker. He drifts between sparkling ice, flowing water, and soft clouds of steam. Everything around him looks alive as the three forms of water move together. Tom spins happily, amazed that water can be three things at once. He draws glowing shapes in the air, capturing the science he is seeing. The ice shines like tiny crystal castles around him. The liquid water ripples smoothly beneath his feet. The steam drifts gently like warm, floating clouds. Tom realizes this special moment is called the triple point. Suddenly, he is back at his desk, full-sized once again. The beaker now looks calm and ordinary, as if nothing happened. Tom smiles, remembering every magical detail. He knows water is not just liquid, but can also be solid and gas. The classroom feels full of wonder and excitement. Tom dreams of discovering more unbelievable science every day.